Hi guys, this is Shrish. You are 14CS072. I'm doing my experiment number 1 from mobile application development using Android. The first experiment I'm going to do is metric conversion. So I have done an advanced app over here. It's a metric conversion which performed based on the preference of the user. It uses radio buttons for single selections. Now let's get to the design. So as you can see over here, for the main activity I have created edit text over here along with a group of radio group, and we have 4 radio buttons and I have declared them, and I have given a layout as linear layout with the orientation as vertical. That's why you have vertical thing. And as you can see over here, I gave a button named submit, and you can see right here. Now let's see the main activity. So what happens in main activity is we declare all the buttons and edit text and radio group that we used in the main activity main in XML, and we are finding it by find view by ID, and we are assigning to the buttons we have declared over here. Then here what we are doing is on button click, that is when the button is clicked, then we are what we are doing is we are seeing what is being done over here. So as you can see, we are creating an intent, and for each intent, that is TE is the ID, and kilometer meter is its name, and over here M is the ID, U1 is the ID, and U2 is the ID, and these are the variables. And this is the conversion for kilometer to meter. So for kilometer to meter, the conversion would be 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So based on that, the conversion would be made over here, and the conversion will be displayed. And now for the rest of them, this is meter to kilometer, so you have to divide by 1000. Then Kelvin to Celsius to Kelvin conversion, so you have to add 274.15 Fahrenheit to it, of 274.15 float value to it. Sorry, yeah. And here you have to subtract 274.15 for converting it from Kelvin to Celsius scale that we know of. And as I said, similarly, what we're doing here is assigning values along with its tags over here. So for various so when all these tags are done, the conversion takes place over here. So what it happens, after the conversion, everything takes place over here. This is used for like a display. Here also what we are doing is we are using 3 text views. Let's see the design of it. Yeah, so as you can see over here, we are using 3 text views which are planned. And we are sending each of the answers to over here, so calculations and values and set test. So now let's just debug it and run it. So Android 6 Nougat. So as you can see over here, there are 4 options: kilometer to meter, meter to kilometer, Celsius to Kelvin, and Kelvin to Celsius. Now let's convert kilometer to meter, and let's give the value as 1. So 1 kilometer, the answer should be 1000 meters. As you can see, the answer is 1000 meters. Let's try another one. Let's try 1000 meters. The answer should be 1 kilometer, and the answer is 1 kilometer. And for Celsius to Kelvin, let's try the say 0 degree. No, let's try 273, 274 or 275 Celsius. That would be equal to, yeah, as you can see, 549.15 in Kelvin, If you have to convert the same, just try the same thing, and you will have 0.85 degrees Celsius. This brings us to the end of experiment number 1. Thank you for watching.